It is not business as usual in the real estate world during this COVID crisis. And if you're in the position where you must sell your home while we're in the thick of things, then you may want to keep watching to hear my opinion about measures that I think should be taken to help optimize the sale during difficult market conditions. Before I get started, bear in mind that it may not be reasonable for you to accomplish all of the things that I'm about to list. Do what you can, given the circumstances that you're working with, and try and find alternatives and workarounds where possible. Here's a big first step that may or may not be feasible. Leave. Vacate the property. Rent something short term maybe. But if you can leave, then you're able to comfortably and safely have a photographer and a realtor through to do what they need to do in a way that minimizes risk to them and to you as well. Next, prepare and provide every possible resource a buyer could ever need. Lots of high-res photos, floor plans, 3D tour, video walkthrough, ceiling height measurements, a feature sheet that identifies key characteristics of your home, a list of your favorite nearby restaurants and grocery stores and shops, you name it. Make it so that a buyer could likely make a decision about purchasing your home without actually stepping foot in it. Now, if I were selling my home, I would strongly consider encouraging potential buyers to make an offer conditional upon viewing it in person. Now, what this means is that you would agree to all of the terms of the contract, largely price, before they come to view the property in person. If you've provided the right online resources, then there shouldn't be any major surprises once they've stepped foot inside. So get the largest part of the process out of the way and then seal the deal with an in-person viewing. Why encourage people to come through the property when striking a deal might not have ever been possible in the first place? There's no question that this is a challenging market to try and sell a home in, but hopefully by doing some or all of the things that I've identified, you'll be able to successfully list and sell your home without having anyone incur too much risk to themselves or others in order to complete the purchase. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching. Please stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.